If you want to pull up to a business meeting in a car that looks like a $100,000 executive sedan, but you have $10,000 to spend, stop wasting it on a down payment for a boring new economy car. Today, I'm showing you the 7 luxury cars that mechanics actually respect. These machines are engineered to hit 300,000 miles without breaking a sweat, and they will make your neighbors think you've hit the lottery. Number 7. The Lexus LS 430. This is the gold standard of over-engineering. It was built during the peak of Toyota's luxury era, where the doors closed with a vault-like thud, and the engine is so smooth you won't even know it's running at a stoplight. It's the definition of old money style. Mechanics love these because they simply do not break. If you show up in a pristine LS 430, people don't think you're driving an old car. They think you're a person of taste who knows exactly how to manage their money. Number 6. The Acura TL, the 2007 to 2008 Type-S. This car proved you could have luxury and performance without the luxury maintenance bill. It has one of the most driver-focused interiors of the mid-2000s, with aluminum trim and aggressive bucket seats. It's got a V6 that pulls hard, and it is arguably the best-looking sedan Acura ever made. You can find these with high miles, and they still drive like a brand new car. It's sharp, it's reliable, and it commands respect. Number 5. The Lincoln Town Car. I know what you're thinking. Isn't that a grandpa car? But look at the engineering. This is the last of the true American land yachts. It has a V8 engine, it has a body-on-frame design that lasts forever, and it has the most comfortable suspension ever put into a passenger car. In 2026, the Town Car is a legend. It looks dignified, it looks expensive, and parts are available at literally every gas station in America. You can drive this for 300,000 miles without any stress. Number 4. The Infiniti G37. This is the ultimate sleeper. It has the aggressive stance of a sports sedan, a V6 engine that sounds incredible, and the interior still holds up even in 2026. The secret here is the VQ engine. It is legendary for hitting huge mileage with nothing but basic oil changes. You can pick these up for peanuts because everyone else is chasing newer, more complicated German cars. It looks like you spent $40,000, but you paid a fraction of that. Number 3. The Lexus GX 470. This is the cheat code of the car world. It's a luxury SUV that is actually a Land Cruiser in disguise. It has the 2UZ FE V8, which is world famous for being a million-mile engine. It looks rugged, it has a commanding road presence, and it can go places a brand new $50,000 SUV wouldn't dare touch. You are buying the most reliable 4x4 platform ever built, wrapped in luxury for a price that makes zero sense compared to what new SUVs cost today. Number 2. The Volvo S80, the V8 model. Most people don't even know Volvo made a V8. They squeezed a Yamaha-designed engine into the sedan, and it is a mechanical masterpiece. It's discreet, it's safe, and it's incredibly fast. It is the ultimate stealth wealth vehicle. No one sees it coming. It looks like a normal sedan, but the build quality is world-class. It's the car for the person who doesn't need to brag, but wants a car that will keep going long after the competition has been sent to the scrapyard. And number 1, the Lexus LS 460. This is the final boss of cheap luxury. The level of engineering in this car is insane. Everything from the heated and cooled seats to the whisper-quiet cabin is designed to keep you in total comfort for decades. You can buy these for $10,000, and people will think you spent 6 figures on a brand new car. It has the presence, the reliability, and the prestige that brands like BMW and Mercedes just can't match at this price point. The secret to driving a luxury car without going broke is simple. You have to pick the right engines and the right platforms. Don't fall for the hype of the newest, most complicated cars. Stick to these proven winners. If you want the full list of the exact engines and years that are bulletproof, check the link in the description for my 2026 car market cheat sheet. And if you want to know which luxury SUVs to avoid at all costs, check the video on your screen right now. Stop losing money on bad cars, subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.